Yeah, what's up, Eric? Jason Will keep real FOREX King back at the charts. So for Wednesday market recap, market was pretty decent today. There was some good movements today. Seemed like it was going to be a drop for a lot of pairs during London to some of New York session before we started to retrace. Look at GBP USD. So this pair been dropping since Tuesday, but then it started to retrace back up during New York session. So right now for GBUSD, I'm still focusing on uptrend moves. Right now, doing 80 sessions probably a good time to like pre-get in the trade for buy opportunities, targeting to the resistance area. So right now you can get a buy now to the resistance area to 1.33900 area. Now look at gold. So gold dropped a lot during today's London New York session, but we're still focused on overall uptrend moves. So I can see it retraced off the trend line. So it's decent for still buy opportunities to respect this trend line. So we still target up to 2,000 for take profit. Just be patient while it hits that area. Because right now the market came back down to retest this area, but we expect it to reach back up to here. So just gotta be patient for gold. US 30 was crazy. New highs, new highs. The market is doing great. Straight uptrend throughout all sessions. So continue to focus on uptrend moves, even if it traces down. Still focus on mostly buy opportunities to be safe, since the economy is doing well right now. And let's look at JPY. So it dropped down during London session and New York session, and then start to retest the area after it broke the trend line back for the uptrend move. So I still focus on buy opportunities right now for the British pound pair. And even though it broke the trend line, it came back and retested and broke up still. So we're still valid for uptrend. ADUSD dropped down a lot today during like London and New York session. It straight like dropped down, a lot of momentum down. Yesterday the market was straight bullish momentum. Now today we're straight dropping down for a correction. We're still focused on uptrend moves at this moment still. So this is pretty much what's happening in the market. Trade, what you see, now what you think. I know many people trying to wait for the drop, trying to catch a drop for these pairs. But if you look at the higher time frames, the drop is not fully valid for overall sell yet. It could be a minor intraday sell move, but for swing trade sell, I wouldn't count on it yet. Right now, the market could come back up, retest this area before it drops down, or due to momentum, it could come back up again. But we'll see if it breaks down this area to confirm for more of a sell move. But right now, it's not. So don't want to waste your time. Just be patient and just go with the flow of the market. Because as you see in the past, it looked like it was about to be a sell move, but it was doing consolidation before it just straight spiked up a few days later. So right now we're having an area where it's going to test and still go back and test the high before it considers dropping. Yes, it'll be great if the market drops down like this, which happened in the beginning of Corona, where we had crazy drops, crazy rises. Right now, we're just on an uptrend movement. with a slight correction, but still overall uptrend movement for the GBP pairs. And if you look at the news, there's no crazy news happening for December 2nd. We know Friday's NFP, so you just gotta be on the lookout for NFP. That's when crazy movement's gonna be the New York session. But the market is setting up and gearing up for NFP. So be careful, y'all. Trade what you see and what you think. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. You already know we out here. Peace.